Hi friends, this is our fruits lesson number 1. Let's find out what's our mystery fruit today.
Yay! It's an apple! Let's hear Apple's life story. Hi friends, do you know who I am? Any guess? I heard something. Say it loud. Yes, I am an apple. A round, red, and delicious apple. But do you know I have my siblings as well? Let me introduce you to them. Here they are, green and yellow apple. Look, they are waving at you. Say hello to them. Hello. Good. Now let's see where I come from. You know, yeah, stores, house. But let me show you my real house. Here we are. An apple orchard. Yes, this is my home. Do you know what you get after eating me? You become strong and healthy, as I am a disease fighter. Let's learn something about me. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Repeat with me. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. That was today's learning. I'll see you in your house. Don't forget to eat me in the morning. Bye-bye, friends.
See you next time with a new fruit lesson. Bye bye.